welcome back to LJ Gamers. Today we are playing Adopt Me. So we're just gonna play the game.
Did you get a cash out?
Yeah, I got a cash out. So yep, we're just gonna take care of ourselves and stuff.
How do I
Take my lion out,
How
huh?
do I get that away?
Oh, you need to do that when you're out of full screen. Just ignore it.
And
I'm pretty sure I have a ton of lemonades. Yep, perfect.
am I in your house? Oh, yes.
Okay. So
Let me go to my house.
I need lemon. Why am I leaving? I need a drink.
Oh, there's
I
a
mean,
good
no, take a shower. Pool party.
I'm not.
I'm staying
This is my
alive.
house.
Are you though? Okay. Watermelon. My last
Oh,
watermelon.
my house is like right in front of me.
Is it even me who's hungry? Yep, it is. Can you Yes. Sorry.
Oh. Oh my god!
I killed him.
You killed it?
You watch me take a shower, lion. Okay, so I'm in my hot tub, very chlorinated hot tub, but apparently it cleans me. Okay, so lion is hungry. Luckily, I have my Sammy. Come here, lion. Feed.
Can I take a
Now you're
shower?
thirsty.
Can I take a shower at your place?
Sure.
Friends.
And feed. Okay, now we can go to the pool
Do
party.
you have a drink?
I have lemonade, but that would be $2.
Can you fly me to the pool party too?
No.
Can I use your shower?
Yes, just do whatever you need to do.
I need a lemonade.
Then pay $2. I'm leaving. Bye.
Still have to give you.
I'm gonna fly there with my griffin propeller. I like flying. But then my lion gonna get caught.
Your hot tub's look like fun.
I'm going in. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
I don't have a refrigerator. I need some milk.
You need some milk. You're thirsty, lion?
Yes.
Okay. Here. Oh, jeez. Okay, he needs a lemonade. Let me make sure it's not me. Just take a sip. Sorry, lion. I just needed like a little sip. Hey, I have a beaver. Or did I give that away? I think I gave it away to crew. Okay. I'm saving up for a safari egg. And now I'm thirsty. This is why I have this many lemonades. Ooh, $1 lemonades. Heck yeah.
Hi, Jackson. I teleported you. Thank you for the pool parties.
Bye. Oh yeah, 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 bye. No, thank you. Oh yeah, bye. Da-da.
I'm like drowning in this pool.
Okay, so now what do I need? I need food. I have nothing to eat. Dang it. I have nothing to eat. I'm gonna have to go to the grocery store. Come on, let's be done with the pool party. Oh, yeah, he's a preteen.
Ew.
My lion.
I'm $36 for just going to the pool party.
Hello? Hello? Great, somebody spawned a car on top of me. Lena, I'm gonna have to teleport to you.
Okay.
Climb.
Hi.
Alright, thank you.
You
Now
are-
I'm going to the grocery store. Bye.
Yeah, come. Look at my mini motor. I'm doing it. I don't have a motorcycle. I have it on my iPad now.
It's $400. How much money do you have? Oh, you can't see it here. Let me help you. Settings. Full screen. Off. Later. Remind me tomorrow.
I like
Escape. Oh, you almost have 400. Okay, so what am I? Hungry. I could how much are apples, though? You know
you could
what?
just buy apples.
I'm
at
cheap. I'm going to the school to get free apples.
I'm cheap too. I'm just gonna go get a drink from the lemonade thing.
Costs money. I'm getting free apples. Oh, jeez.
I know.
Yeah, I'm a good driver, guys.
That's all you're gonna eat. Is apples.
Apples coming.
You're healthy on the computer, but you're not.
Oh, sleep, but no sleeping in class. Too bad, buddy. Oh, I'm stealing free apples.
Honey, Junior.
Okay, and
Do you have your buffalo out?
apples for days.
I need my big pouch.
Ha! Let's go.
Look how many toys I have.
Where'd you get that octopus?
And that, Maddie.
Oh, Madison gave it to you?
Yeah, and I got this little flower rattle from Maddie.
Oh, I have the
And I
phone.
got this teddy bear from a mom one time.
I got a flying griffin from the big present for my daily reward gift thing.
No.
Why are you a bully? Okay, I'm probably gonna need to go camping
I have to
next.
sit in the passenger seat.
When is it gonna be night? Because I need to go camping. Hey, buddy. I called it. Let's go. Boom, buddy. Okay.
Thanks, Jax, I teleported.
Here you go,
You like
Lion.
all my best of the
I don't care. I'm sleeping in the pink. I need some sleep.
Oh, my green. It can be for my dog, I guess. Oh, she's.
I could buy a motorcycle for you. No, I'm saving up for a safari.
I don't like using boys.
Oh, am I well rested? I'm well rested. So, Lion's well rested. Pick up. We're almost done camping.
Little bicycle.
I'm gonna get a marshmallow. Marshmallow. And sit. You. Can you actually eat this? You can actually eat this?
What?
You can actually eat the marshmallows. More free. And I'm glitched. Oh, no, I'm not. I was like walking while sitting, like you were in the shark bite video. Go
Yeah.
check that video out.
It was so funny. I was like sitting on a duck and on the top, and then I jumped off. I couldn't get back on to stay on my feet, so I was walking when I was sitting on my butt. So and then this girl invited me to her Easter egg thing, and I joined, and then I was sitting on the egg.
I heard that there's a secret area in the river.
There is.
Have you seen it?
Yeah,
What? Where is it?
I'll show you.
Is it under a bridge?
Let me just show you.
Where? I'm in the shallow part.
Okay. This might be the wrong place.
I'm looking underwater.
It's on a bridge. It's on a bridge.
On it
Yeah.
or under?
So.
Is it the wood one?
Well, it's
I mean, that's the entrance to get to the pool. So, that's not it.
There's like different parts of the lakes, right?
I don't see anything. Oh, that thing's flying away. Whoa! Wait, no, that's not it. Why is the water like so weird here? Is it in this one? Oh, wait. It is!
Yeah, there's like a door. That's not the one.
Whoa! Whoa! Chill.
If you have two of the same pets, you get
Mm.
a neon color down.
But I had two red pandas, but combine their spirits. No, you need 4.
I have enough to buy a safari egg.
I only had 2 red pandas. Okay, bye. Can I not talk to you? Well, once I have 4 of something, I'm gonna get it. Carter had 4 dogs, and he got a neon dog, and he had a neon buffalo.
Oh, 4 dogs?
Yeah, he got 4 fully aged dogs. Now he has a neon dog. He got 4 fully aged buffaloes. Now he has a neon buffalo, but I think he gave that one away. And then, yep. Oh, hospital. We're going to the hospital. Hospital. We're going to the hospital.
I need a hospital and the playground now.
Hospital.
There's a hospital.
You know, oh, I should have gone to the playground and got everyone sick.
Oh, dang it.
I was sick one time, and I went to the playground and just got everyone sick.
I got this cat sick.
Yes. Healing your family. Okay. Thank you, doctor, sir.
Wait, I didn't even press Dr. Heart and I got healed.
Really?
Yeah. Or maybe because they know that you're part of my family.
Love yourself.
I don't.
Have you seen that meme?
No.
Because, like, it says something. It starts with an A. Enjoy yourself. No, it's like,
Enjoy yourself. Your mind conserve.
It's not enjoy yourself. It's, oh, yeah, $20 lemonade. Heck yeah.
Wait, what? Really?
That girl's psycho.
Little bicycle.
Oh, she's sweet, but I died almost. Boom, boom. Let's go, man's on. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a backflip on a trampoline. Once I can actually get on it.
I have to do something.
So you go on, click yourself.
Why is there a beach
Press
ball rolling
activities.
in the sand?
Backflip. Ya yeet.
There's a beach ball rolling in the sand,
Or the
Jackson.
backflip. Boing. What?
I'm just showing him the
Backflip.
donut. Okay, I'm just showing him the donut in the middle of the road.
Oh.
Dang it! This thing picked me up. It's crazy Pete.
This crazy peak.
Oh gosh, there's smelly Pete. That raccoon better not get me smelly.
Better not give me smelly, buddy. Here's my tree
Let's go
house.
pick
Here's
me
my
up.
tree house. Here's my
So
tree house.
help
Here's my
me.
tree house. Oh yeah.
Please don't go down. I just like sing. Oh, I hate this card.
Oh, Wyatt. Oh, me.
No one better steal my. Someone better not steal my donut.
I'm almost done taking a shower. Well, guys, I think we're going to have to end it there. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big like.
And ring that bell.
And we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.